Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And in this video this is a short video that I'm going to show you proof of this platform. I just uploaded a video about this platform on YouTube, and I've made some withdrawals, and I want to show you that this platform really pays and they are not going to scam anyone. So this is the withdrawal that I made today. I just made the withdrawal today, and you see withdrawal time 2022 April 13th. I made this withdrawal around 1:37. So this platform really pays, and I made this video to let you know that this platform really pays and they are going to be there forever. So you can invest to buy some of the trees, and you can chat their agent for the free apple tree. I will leave the agent link in the description, so you can check the description box to chat the agent for the free apple tree. So kindly download this game using the link in the description and chat the agent for the free apple tree.